generations of Labman robots, and some of those systems we've had since around 2012, and we're still using those heavily.
CPI have worked with Labman across a number of projects. We felt that Labman would be a really good partner to learn with us with this new technology.
What the first machine did in a week, the next machine did in a day. And likewise for version 3. Especially when you're on second and third generation of a machine to do the same task, really having the person who did the work with you first time is the greatest sort of benefit you can get.
Hi, I'm Sarah.
I'm the FD.
Hi, I'm Phil Biggs, and I play in a band called the Cathode Ray.
That's no, sounds rubbish. Okay.
Hello, I'm Lucy.
I'm Brad.
Hello, I'm
the mechanic.
We trusted Labman to do an excellent job in delivering this for us, which they have.
Those robots have also been introduced into various sites around the world.
If it was to continue, would we come back to Labman and ask for another one? To us, it was a no-brainer.